Discover your musical potential, Yannis Kapa guitar. In this week's video, we're going to learn about C minor. Okay guys, so here it goes. So what you do is this. You put your first finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Second finger goes on 4th fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger goes on 5th fret, 4th string. And pinky finger right here, I'm just going to put an angle here so you can see it, goes on 5th fret, 3rd string. Here, check this out. Now make sure you don't play the 5th and the 6th string, these two here. Don't play them. And that's your C minor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.